Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to download Roblox on your PC and laptop. Firstly, you have to open your browser and in the search panel type Roblox and hit enter. Now click on download Roblox app. Now download the app for Windows. Save it anywhere in your PC. Now proceed to the folder. Double click on Roblox player installer, then click on run. After that, the installation of Roblox will start and you have to wait a few minutes for it to install. Now the Roblox is starting. Now you have to sign up with your Roblox ID in order to play Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.